What will happen to your hair if you use henna powder? On day 1 of applying it, you will completely vanish white hair from your head. On day 2 after applying it, you will have lackluster black hair on your head. On day 3 of applying it, people will fail to differentiate between your hair and a 20-year-old's hair. Other benefits of henna powder include 100% natural ingredients, vegan, no harmful additives, no chemicals, no ammonia, safe for hair and scalp, leaving it healthy and conditioned. If you are tired of your white hair, this is the perfect solution for it. Don't let gray hair dull your confidence. Discover the transformative effects of our solution today. Buy it now from our website and get it at your doorstep.